If naghahanap ka nga ng unit na malilipatan mo agad-agad, mababa lang ang down payment required at flexible din ang payment terms, then this might be your sign already to own this beautiful, modern, brand new home here in Las Piñas City. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another premium home tour here in Las Piñas. And good news, we have already opened one unit for this in-demand project. Yes, you heard it right, malilipatan mo to agad. Paano ba naman kasi napakababa lang ng down payment required natin, and what you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover already of the unit. You have a lot area of 127 square meters and a floor area of 170 square meters. Kaya naman panalong-panalo ka not only with a modern layout but with the finishes kasi napaka-premium ng pagkakagawa. You have a big space for your living, dining, and kitchen area, and ang kagandahan nga dito, meron kang maid's room dito sa ground floor. And ang laki rin ang service area mo. By the way, may provision ka na rin for 2 carport, and this is inside a gated community. Pocket garden ka na rin kasama. And ang ganda ng pagkaka-layout ng bahay, kaya naman halos wala ka na talagang ipapagawa once malipatan mo na to. Very accessible going to Alabang and also airport at mga major establishment essential to a growing family. At kung hindi ka naman nagmamadaling lumipat, the good news is meron din tayong ongoing construction units na ang target turnover is end this year pa or early first quarter next year. Upon reaching the second floor, meron ka pang 3 other rooms. And ang kagandahan din dito sa master's bedroom, meron ka na ring own toilet and bath. And of course, the balcony. Mataas din ang floor to ceiling height natin, kaya ventilation-wise, okay na okay talaga tong unit na to. What I like more about this unit, hindi tinipid ang materyales, napaka-premium ng pagkakagawa, at talagang pulidong-pulido. And guess what? 100,000 lang ang reservation payment natin. Down payment is for as low as 5% of the total contract price. And once you settle that, pwede ka nang makalipat agad-agad sa unit. With of course, may approval from the bank. And the good thing, kami na ang magpaprocess ng home loan mo, kaya hassle-free talaga on your end. Kaya naman, whether you're working abroad or locally employed, perfect na perfecto para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. Package price starts at 11.8 million pesos only, and you know what? This is our cheapest here in Las Piñas na ganito kalaki at ka-premium ang unit. Kaya naman, don't miss this offer kasi nag-iisa na lang tong RFO na move-in ready home here in Las Piñas na mababa lang ang down payment. Oh, so paano? We conduct tripping every day. Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number to book a free and exclusive house view. See you soon at paalam!